If you work in quality and you're not using AI yet, I need to tell you something. You are already falling behind. While you're manually analyzing data, someone else is getting promoted using AI. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Let me ask you something. Are you spending hours analyzing non-conformities, writing audit reports manually, struggling to interpret complex data, and at the end, no recognition? That's the problem. You're working hard but not smart. The professionals growing in quality today are not the busiest ones. They are the smartest ones. And AI is now the biggest competitive advantage. Let me show you how to use it. 1. Non-conformity analysis. AI identifies patterns in seconds. 2. Audit reports. Generate structured professional reports instantly. 3. Microbiological data. Helps interpret trends and causes. 4. SOP creation. Create procedures faster and better. 5. Root cause analysis. Organize ideas and build logical investigations. You stop being operational and become strategic. And that's what separates an average analyst from a future quality manager. If you want to grow in quality, learning this is not optional anymore. It's mandatory. Subscribe to this channel because I'll show you how to apply this in real life.